In the Geopark. We're going to go over there, and then we're going to go back over there. We're going to go over there next and go back down here. There's everybody over there. Trooping over there. Well, there's where we were earlier. We came over here, and there's a big line here of people wanting to get their picture with the Queen's head, and that's it. Hey, you got me. I don't think it looks anything like a queen, but people are happy to have their photo taken. They're all queued up down here. All waiting line goes around there and everything. So, yeah, all right. There we go. Well, yeah, if you look real close down at the bottom facing that way, you see like lips and some eyes or something there. So there might be something to it if you're up close to it, but not worth waiting in line, I don't think, here. The Queen's head. Okay. And it stopped raining a little bit.